Hi, I'm Tom Bachik. I'm a celebrity nail artist. I've been in the industry for almost 20 years. I've created nail styles for runways, for magazine covers. I've been blessed to have an amazing clientele that I work with, such as Beyonce, Victoria Beckham, Jennifer Lopez, Pink, Gwen Stefani, Hilary Swank, Jennifer Aniston. I'm here today to launch my new product line, Artistic Color Gloss. It's a gel polish. It has 38 amazing shades and lasts up to 21 days. So come join me while I take you through the step-by-step application to get the perfect color gloss manicure. Using a 180 grit file or smoother, we're actually going to file the nail shape back and forth. The shape we're going for here is just a beautiful, short, natural nail shape. The trend at the moment that I'm seeing right now is very natural shaped nails, almost oval-esque. A great way to make sure that your shape is perfect is to turn your hands up so that the nails are facing you, palm away, and then file from side to side. This allows your eye to follow the horizon and make sure that your shape is the same from side to side, nail to nail. After shaping the nail, we're going to start by pushing back the cuticle. And we want to be very gentle when we do this because the cuticle actually protects the matrix area where the nail grows. Once we've pushed back the cuticle, we want it to then remove any little bits and pieces using our cuticle nipper before we do any buffing. Once the cuticle area is pushed back so we have that shape, we're going to go in with the smooth side of our effects buffer and simply remove the shine off of the surface of the nail. Now this is going to do two things. One, remove the shine so that we get the best adhesion with the product. Number two, it's going to help exfoliate that cuticle area, smooth that out so that your cuticles are perfect. It's not damaging to the nail if you don't over buff. If you use too coarse of a buffer and you file across the surface of the nail over and over and over, you can have a tendency to thin out the nail. So once we're done prepping the natural nail, we're going to use a simple towel, remove any excess dust that we have off of the surface. Then, using a lint-free pad and nail surface cleanser, simply scrub the surface of the nail to cleanse and dehydrate. Next step is using Color Gloss's pH nail prep. This is going to help balance the pH level of the natural nail so that it better accepts the product. One time in the bottle should be enough to prep all 5 nails. The Soak-Off Bonding Gel has a smaller brush. This allows you to apply more pressure and almost force the gel into the surface of the nail plate. Rub it into the surface of the nail back towards the cuticle, but leave a tiny thin margin between the product and the cuticle itself. And then out towards the free edge so that I have a nice, thin, smooth surface of gel. Now, if you happen to get gel on the skin and you need to remove it, simply use a small detail brush like the Artistic Design Sculptured Oval. Use a small amount of your nail surface cleanser and simply clean the product off of the skin. Simply place the hand in the Artistic LED light for 10 seconds. If you have a traditional UV light, then you're going to want to leave it in for 1 minute. So now let's pick the color for today. Today, we're going to use Posh. This was actually inspired by a client of mine, the lady herself, Victoria Beckham. We're going to apply the Color Gloss color just like we would a polish, starting about 2/3 back on the nail, pushing it back towards the cuticle, and then smoothing it forward for a super thin, even coat. Remember to seal the edges with the color as well so that you create that seal that keeps the product firmly adhered to the natural nail and you don't get that chipping and that pilling that is seen with some other products. We'll apply 4 fingers in the light for 30 seconds in the Artistic LED light, 2 minutes in a traditional UV lamp. For your second coat, we will apply the product the same way in a very thin coat, and this time you'll notice that you get complete coverage with the product. We're going to finish off the look using our Artistic Glossing Gel. This is our top coat. We're going to apply this just like all the other coats, very thinly. Again, make sure that you seal off the edge so that the color is completely covered and protected. Into the Artistic LED light for 20 seconds. We'll do our final step, which is simply to use a lint-free pad and some of our artistic nail surface cleanser. And in back and forth motions, we're gonna remove the sticky inhibition layer off of the surface. Voila. And in 20 minutes, your client has a beautiful, chip-free, color gloss manicure that lasts up to 21 days.